Oh, it feels so good out here. Hey y'all, so I had another tip. So I was going through my pantry, really the whole house, just decluttering, get rid of stuff we don't need. And then I'm cleaning out the pantry. And what do I find? A bag of beans. Look, 4 pounds. Obviously it ain't the whole thing. So we probably ate half the bag. I was making bean pies, bean soup, pretty much beans, cornbread with like turkey necks, things like that. But anyways, look at this. These are even though they may say they're expired or they're old. Guess what I'm about to do with these? Yep, I'm about to plant them. So I have a whole thing of seeds. And these are lentils that I'm going to try to see what I can do with those too. Don't hurt to try. But look at all those lentils. There's way too many just go to waste. And I don't even have to buy any beans to plant because they're right here. So let's kind of see, y'all, how much a pack of beans would actually cost you. So I have a little pail here. So I have a little pail that I put my seeds. I cannot wait to grow this. I have 3 different types. I am excited.
Can I help?
Yeah, you can. And then look, I thought he was dancing. All right, y'all, look how much.
Only 1 second dance.
This is from the dollar store. So these are like 25 cents. Yeah. But a normal pack of, I wish I had some beans so I could actually show you. That's not a good. These were gifts, so they don't have prices on them. I don't really have any to show y'all.
Is that cauliflower?
Mm-hmm. Dang, I don't have any right here. That sucks. Well, y'all, I am unprepared. Hold on, maybe I got one under here. Okay, it's just an example. But like a pack of seeds. Look at that. This is $5. And this is for peas and oats. These are cover crops. Y'all see that? $5. And that bag of beans was probably the same, but I had obviously way more than what's in here. Let me show y'all. So there's like a mixture. So you have oats and peas. All right. And then the flowers, they're about 2 something. They're going up. They're like $3, $2. I love the smell of bergamot and everything, but I'm actually going to plant it. Yes, y'all. It's cheaper. Hold on, Pepper. It's cheaper even if they're not expired. Just take like 5 of those beans out of your bag that you have. I know a lot of people like canned beans, but if you have dry, take like 5 or 6 of them out of there and plant them, and it'll produce hundreds of seeds for you later. You don't need to plant the whole bag because that'll be a lot of beans, okay, that you got to shell and stuff later and take care of. But yeah, that's just a tip, y'all. The same with the rosemary that we talked about. If you buy the little rosemary in the store, it's like maybe $1 or $2, $3. But if you buy the plant, which I have 2 here, look, the plant is $6.99. Oh, yes. So they're $6.99, and it just keeps growing, and they get bigger to the point they look like this, y'all. It's my little pharmacy. Look, pharmacy. This is sage, but it's been growing for years. It keeps coming back. Yeah, so that's how big it can get. Bigger than this. This is how rosemary, the little rosemary you saw, will get this size if you take it. But that's it, y'all. We're trying to work on saving money, being better stewards, okay, this year, and actually stewarding what you already have so you can save money, and it's right there in your backyard. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.